Welcome to the Felemei Squad. Every month we're gonna drop a video about Tongans and Aotearoa. Hey, keep walking. Anyways, let me introduce to you the Felemei Squad.
Shabuya! Shabuya! Roll call!
Malolele.
Yeah.
My name is Nini.
Yeah.
And I am Tongan.
Yeah!
And I love my family.
Yeah!
My name is Lita.
Yeah!
I love sports.
Yeah!
I'm from Rabaha.
Yeah!
And Ha'afewa.
Yeah!
Hey guys, I'm Sasam.
Yeah!
I love art.
Yeah!
When I grow up,
Yeah!
I want to be a hairstylist.
Yeah!
My name is Nini.
Yeah!
I love to paint.
Yeah!
I come from Roscoe.
Yeah!
And I feel great.
Yeah!
My name is JT.
Yeah!
From Kolobotua.
Yeah!
I love League
Yeah!
like a legend.
Yeah!
My name is Rachel.
Yeah!
I like to draw and paint some more.
Yeah!
My name is Dewey,
Yeah!
with lots of names.
Yeah!
I am a king,
Yeah!
with lots of fame.
Yeah!
My name is Philo.
Yeah!
I like to train.
Yeah!
You see me running.
Yeah!
No pain, no gain.
Yeah!
I'm Princess Anne
Yeah!
from Atata.
Yeah!
I come from the underworld
Yeah!
with Maika.
Yeah!
My name is Fina.
Yeah!
My dog's name's Lotto.
Yeah!
Better watch out,
Yeah!
because he might bite you.
Arf, arf, arf.
My name is Nani.
Yeah!
I am the best.
Yeah!
I like to sleep.
Yeah!
Let's take some rest. What's up, I'm Vanna.
Yeah!
I love sports.
Yeah!
I play netball
Yeah!
better than anyone.
Yeah! Shabuya! Shabuya! Roll call!
That's the squad. See you next month. Later.